Okay, I'm looking crazy. This pimple is an energy, but hey guys. So this is a video I didn't expect to be doing today. Oh my god, my lips are so chapped. Okay, now that I put some chapstick on, I look like a mess, but I got a package I didn't expect to get. I've been waiting since November. I've literally been waiting since November 2020. It is February 11th, 2021. All right, for this freaking package, which is ridiculous because I spent a lot of money on this. I ordered a Travis Scott sweatshirt from his PS5 collection, and I'm very excited. I'll show you the little screenshot right here. I literally emailed them in like late December, beginning of January. I was like, yo, so like, where's my package? And they were like, well, we said 3 to 6 weeks. I'm like, it's been significantly more than that time. And then finally it came in, but the thing is because I thought it was gonna come in 3 to 6 weeks. I was gonna be home for winter break. And then guess what? It didn't come in, so my mom had to ship it to me. So it probably came in last week, but still the fact that it came in February and I ordered it in November, ridiculous. But anyway, I don't care. I'm so excited. I love Travis Scott. I love his merchandise. Apparently I'm becoming a hype beast now, so I'm gonna do a whole try on. I was so nervous about the fit of this, so we'll see how it looks. Okay, so when I first took it out of the package, looks like this. It's like a light gray color. It looks a lot darker on the website. I'm gonna be completely honest, completely darker. This is like a really, hold on. This is literally like worn. Like what the hell? So let's open it up at least. I like this color better, honestly, but not what I was expecting. It's really cute, I can't lie. And then the back. Okay. But like when I tell you this looks genuinely worn, I mean, there's the patches, like everything is there. There's the embroidery of the Cactus Jack. Like this, the quality is great of like the prints, but the whole thing is pilly. And I don't know if that's like the style that he was going for or whatever, but it looks like it was already worn. It doesn't smell like it was worn though, which I think is the most important thing. It has the label on the inside. You can see that. So I got a size large, so I'm hoping this looks good. Let's try it on. All right, so this is actually what it looks like, and it fits me perfectly. I was so worried that the size large was gonna be a little too baggy. Like I like my sweatshirts oversized, but I hate when they like the waistband like falls over your butt. It bugs me. But this literally looks perfect. I'm obsessed with it. I love the patches, and the print is honestly like is the best that I've had on any sweatshirt of any form ever. It's very good. The back is great as well. It literally fits perfect. This is a large, like I said before. The pockets are nice. They're a little small for your hands, it feels like, but the actual like pocket depth is nice because stuff won't fall out. I would just say like overall rating, the fit is perfect. I think like if I got a medium, it would fit really nicely too. So I'm not mad. So if I'm 5'3", and so I'm pretty short, and this fits really well. The only negative thing I will say is it's like it's a lighter sweatshirt. It is soft on the inside, and I don't love the fact that it's pilled. I really do think it's part of the style because it literally came in like actual packaging, folded up perfectly. It smells like a factory. It doesn't smell like someone wore it. So that's why it makes me feel like it's actually like supposed to be like that. I don't love that, I'm not gonna lie. Also, the color is completely different than what the website showed. This is like honestly gonna be one of my favorite sweatshirts. I really like this light gray color. It's like really, really light and kind of like purple toned. Here's a better look at this sweatshirt overall. I know this is like a really random quick video, but I'm literally so happy about this and I hope you guys enjoy it. If you want me to like rate clothes that I get or do like hauls or something, I would love to do that more. So leave a like and comment down below if you like this kind of video, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.